So we know that the average person's sneezes 3 times per day. So we have 3 sneezes per day. Of course, we have 24 hours per day. And so we can say that we have 8 hours per sneeze. So every 8 hours, you're going to sneeze. And so we can say that because the entire population of the world is 7.6 billion, we'll say, we can say that we have 1 sneeze per person during those 8-hour intervals multiplied by 7.6 times 10 to the 9th persons. So this is giving us 7.6 times 10 to the 9th sneezes. So we can say that in the time interval each to 1 sneeze, or 8 hours for 1 sneeze, we can say that there are 7.6 times 10 to the 9th sneezes, or 7.6 billion sneezes. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.